Okay, so I wanted to try something new and make a bench using the back graphics of these skateboards as well as the clean face of the skateboards as well. So with 50 skateboards, I could get two benches, one using the top surface, and then the other bench would be the little more messier pattern with the graphics from the bottom of these skateboards. So let's go ahead and degrip 50 skateboards. Let's see how long that takes. I did 55 boards in about an hour and a half. That's not too bad. Now, when it comes to the material, I only need the middle section. So I purposely picked out boards that are broken right around here, which is very common. So I just need the middle section and I'll save the nose and tail for the rest. Miter saw. Okay, so I have the middle portions. These are all gonna go upstairs. Same thing with the nose and tails. And now we gotta do tax cut. Oh, I'm getting tired. Okay, so here it is. 2 benches made out of a bunch of recycled skateboards, and both of them are made up with the square tile pattern, and instead of grout lines, I covered them with epoxy. One of them is made out of using the bottom of these skateboards with all the graphics and the stickers and the grind marks. And I actually like this one a little bit better. And the other one over here is made using only the tops of these skateboards. And I tried to sand it nicely, but unfortunately, some of them I sanded it a little too deep and started revealing the second layer, which usually is the blank colors. In order to fix this problem, I tried to use a dye, colored dye, to dye these little squares. Unfortunately, it doesn't seep into the wood and it didn't really work out. So next time, if I'm going to be making this, I'll probably sand the skateboards nice and smooth before I cut it into little squares, and then pour extra epoxy above the squares so that it kind of turns out like this, and all the skateboards are covered with epoxy, so I don't have any way of sanding it through the first layer. I also added some support strips inside so that it's a lot stronger and solid, because all these miter glue joints, it's probably not going to be strong enough to work as a bench. Nice and solid. But also, it's pretty light. I mean, I could carry this thing by myself. I would say this is like a solid 40 pounds, maybe 35 pounds. I managed to keep it light and sturdy at the same time using the support strips. And I just want to give a quick shout out to Totoboat for making this happen, because without epoxy, I can't make this. And if you guys want a discount and help support this channel, make sure to use the link down in the description below, and everybody wins. So that's it for this video. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below which one you like better. Thanks again, and until next time.